Okay, is everyone ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to France. All right.
Come with me.
We got Colin, the bird that's going to fly us away. But, Ocho, I think I dropped something in the snow. Can you go get it for me?
Yeah.
Oh, no. I hit too hard.
Ocho.
What did I do?
I'm so mad. I just wanted to go on a trip and I just threw one snowball. You know, I wish I would never see my parents again. Is everybody ready to go?
Come on, let's go.
Okay, get on. 1, 2. Okay, we're going on a trip. We're going on a trip to some place that I don't know how to fly to. We're going on a trip. We're going on a trip. Stupid dad, stupid Ocho. I fell asleep. Oh no, the trip! Dad? Dad? Ocho? Oh no. My wish came true. My wish came true. Whee! Ow! I don't like this lake. I want to go home. Wait, I already am home. I want to go to the doctor. This is the life. Look at all the decorations. The decorations. I gotta go hide. Oh no, there he is. I don't know what to do. You know what? This is my house, and I've got to defend it. Come here, Mr. Burglar Dude. Come here, Mr. Burglar Dude. Uh-oh. Hello. Yes, 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 yes. Oh no, there he comes. What am I gonna do? I better go hide. Oh no, what do I do? Wait, I think I have a banana peel and some Legos in my room. I'm gonna put them down. He's gonna slip and fall into the Legos. I gotta go. She's gone. I don't hear anything. I think you left. I gotta find another way out. Well, guess there's only one way out. Oh no. What did I do? Let's go.
Well, thanks, Mrs. Birdie.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Oh, wow, we finally made it. Now, wait a minute. Am I missing something? Oh, wait a minute. Where's Ocho? Oh, I guess we left him home. All right, Ocho, let's go. Time to open presents.
Hey guys.
Ocho?
Yeah,
Well, how in dang tarnation did you get here?
the toilet.
Let's open presents, I guess.
Yeah, by the way, there's someone in our house right now. He's probably stealing all of our stuff. I think he, like, got into your wallet, too. So, yeah, he said he's gonna burn down the house also, I think. So, let's open presents.
All